Having instant access to temperature controlled and often filtered water with the best countertop bottleless water cooler is possible, even within limited kitchen or office space. Staying hydrated is vital for good health, and a water cooler is an enjoyable way to quench your thirst for wellness. Having fast and convenient access to cold water and often hot water as well can add incredible convenience when cooking and concocting beverages of all kinds, all without consuming much space on the countertop. Plus, going bottleless in your choice of water coolers for home or office makes it much more aesthetically pleasing. We've researched and narrowed it down to 6 of the top rated countertop bottleless water coolers, as well as 2 of the worst to avoid. Here are the Freshness.com reviews of the 6th best countertop bottleless water cooler, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Avalon Countertop Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. The best countertop bottleless water cooler, according to our research, is the Avalon Countertop Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. This option provides you with the perfect balance in all the particular aspects and features you would look at when deciding which bottleless water cooler to buy. It comes at a very attractive price, especially when you compare this water cooler to some of the other options you are presented with when shopping for one of these systems. Additionally, it also provides you with 2 separate water dispensers, one for hot water and one for cold water. This makes the device more versatile, as you would be able to have instant access to hot water for cooking and cold water for cooling yourself down. One of the most beneficial options featured by this water cooler is the fact that it has a self-cleaning option. This built-in ozone feature will keep the internal features of the water cooler clean and sanitized at all times, and will also prevent bacteria and other potential threats from building up in the system. Coming in at number 2, the Aquverse 1 pH bottleless water cooler with install kit. This is by far the best Aquverse countertop water bottleless water cooler that you can buy today. Compared to other options on the market, you would not be able to find any similar water feature that offers the same features in this price range. Plus, the Aquverse 1 pH bottleless water cooler comes with a complete installation kit, which makes the process of installing this water dispenser in your kitchen or office a breeze and much more affordable as compared to having to buy a separate installation kit. The Aquverse 1 pH bottleless water cooler is a complete system that does provide you not only instant access to cold water, but also has a separate dispenser for heated water. All incoming water is first run through a built-in filtration system, ensuring that the water dispensed through either of the taps is clean and free of any toxins. Coming in at number 3, the Oasis Artesian Bottleless Water Dispenser. Oasis is known for their high-quality products, and with this being the best Oasis countertop bottleless water cooler from the brand, they have yet again proven their ability to offer their customers exactly what they're demanding. This dispenser comes in the form of what the brand refers to as a magic mountain. The Oasis Artesian Bottleless Water Dispenser is a cylinder-shaped cooler that takes up much less space as compared to the square and rectangular options that you'll find available in other options. It's a bottleless water cooler that provides both hot and cold water at the same time, thanks to the 2 built-in tanks. In addition to these convenient features, the Oasis Artesian Bottleless Water Dispenser also comes with built-in water filtration features, including an activated carbon filter. This ensures water can be effectively cleaned prior to drinking or usage. The water cooler also comes with a complete installation kit. Coming in at number 4, the Clover D1K Hot and Cold Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler. Another excellent option for anyone looking for a convenient water cooling system that will not take up too much space. This is the best Clover countertop bottleless water on the market. This system has been designed to be economical, but also powerful at the same time. It's connected to an existing water supply in your home and will provide you with instant access to cold and hot water, depending on your needs. The device can produce as much as 16 ounces filtered cold water in less than 8 seconds. The Clover D1K hot and cold countertop bottleless water cooler system is only 17.2 inches tall, which makes it ideal for placing in various locations in your kitchen. It also features heavy-duty materials to ensure it's durable and will last for a more extended period of time, adding even more value to your purchase. Coming in at number 5, the Brio Bottleless Countertop Water Dispenser. Many people trust in the Brio brand, and if this is your maker of choice, we consider it the best Brio bottleless water cooler you can buy. Even though it's on the pricier side of these systems, this water cooler features a more advanced filtration system. This ensures every drop of water dispensed from its easy-to-use dispensers at the front of the device has been thoroughly filtered and all germs, bacteria, and other toxins have been effectively removed. Apart from its numerous convenient features, it's also easy to see that the Brio Bottleless Countertop Water Dispenser is definitely one of the more stylish options on the market and will perfectly fit in with virtually any kind of interior, kitchen, or office design. Coming in at number 6, the Drinkpod Bottleless Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser. This last option on our list of top-rated water dispensers is the Drinkpod Bottleless Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser. While the brand has numerous options to choose from, we found this to be the best Drinkpod Bottleless Countertop Water Cooler. The design of this water cooler is probably the first thing that you'll notice, as it features a more sophisticated, futuristic design as compared to other options that you can choose from. The Drinkpod Bottleless Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser offers 3 different temperature settings that you can choose from as well. These include room temperature, hot, or cold. The dispenser is touch activated. The water cooler features an ultra-vi sterilization kit that ensures the internal compartments are free of bacteria and toxins, while the multi-stage filtering system helps to remove any harmful toxins from water. And now for one to avoid. The Vitapur VWD9 506 BLS point of use water dispenser. Now, as for the worst countertop bottleless water cooler on the market, the Vitapur tops the list. We did a lot of research and found the Vitapur BWD9 506 BLS point of use water dispenser to not meet our standards. While the price of this water cooler is undoubtedly attractive when compared to other options, especially some of the ones we've introduced to you, the overall quality and features do seem to make the device somewhat of a waste. The Vitapur leaks and the water has been known to not dispense correctly per its intended design. Another common complaint seems to be that the water has a foul taste to it even after being run through the filtration system that comes built in with this water cooler. And the last to avoid, the Global Water G5 Series Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler. If you're looking to get the best value for your money, then we highly recommend you avoid this countertop bottleless water cooler. Even though it has a 4-stage filtration system and the ability to dispense both hot and cold water, this water cooler is definitely overpriced. If you compare the Global Water G5 Series Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler with the other water coolers available, you will notice that it has the similar feature as most of these, but the price is almost double. There is no use in paying more for a water cooler that would offer you the same benefits and features as one that costs half the price. And our final thoughts on buying the best countertop bottleless water cooler. Whether you need instant access to cooled water or often hot and filtered for cooking or drinking, with our best countertop bottleless water cooler reviews, you can install a simple system that gives you access to the temperature controlled water whenever you need it. Some of these options will even filter water for you, getting rid of any contaminants and pathogens that may contribute to disease. All in all, this is a major step towards upgrading your home or office for increased wellness without taking up an enormous amount of space.